In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a deleted page in Confluence. If you've ever accidentally deleted a page, or you just want to review something that was removed from your space, Confluence gives you a way to find it through the space settings. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open the Confluence space where the page was originally created. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the space name at the top of the sidebar. Right next to that space name, look for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Confluence hides a lot of the space level tools and settings that you don't see at first glance. Once the menu opens, look for the option called Space Settings and click on it. Depending on your Confluence layout, this might open in the same tab or a new view, but the idea is the same. You're now in the configuration area for that specific space. Just keep in mind that you may need the right permissions to access these settings. If you don't see space settings, you might need to contact a space admin. Inside the space settings, you'll see several sections in the sidebar. What you're looking for is the section labeled Content. This is where Confluence organizes the tools that help you manage pages, attachments, and other items within the space. Click on Content to open that section. Under the content area, one of the options you'll see is Trash. This is essentially the recycle bin for that space. Any pages that have been deleted from this space will appear here, at least until they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash. Now you're looking at a list of deleted pages and other content for this space. From here, you can view what was deleted, who deleted it, and when it was removed. Depending on your permissions, you may also be able to restore a deleted page back into the space or remove it permanently. Use this view to verify whether the page you're looking for is still recoverable, or simply to review what's been cleaned up recently. And that's all you need to do to view deleted pages in Confluence. Open the space,